Hello there, it's the 14th of January 2020 and we got some rather high winds tonight, so shaking the polytunnel about a little bit. This is when you want to make sure that you know, you're happy that you did secure your polytunnel down, because I'm certainly glad I did, because this would very easily blow away. You really can hear it. I looked and it said we're only at 29 miles per hour winds, which they seem a bit stronger than that, but anyway, there we are. So we'll go outside and have a look at some of the blueberries I planted up. So anyway, yeah, the wind is probably now hitting the side of the camera, but so these are the blueberries I planted up. I did these all yesterday. There's 20 of them here, and I've got them in all in pots along the back of the soft fruit bed here. There's flower pots that are blown absolutely everywhere. That's just one of those things. There's something about potting up 20 blueberry plants in one go. Now, I don't think you can see that, but over there is the big oak tree in the distance. If I zoom in, I don't know if you can just about see the outline over there. I think you can see that blowing about, but there certainly is a little bit of wind going on. I think you can see the polytunnel moving. What's the weather like where you are? Is it breezy? So you can see that, and really reinforces the importance of making sure your polytunnel is secure. I remember once I went past a commercial farm where they had whoops, I didn't secure the door. The door was just flung open. Yeah, I remember when I went through went past a commercial farm, and large, really big polytunnels, and all the plastic was blowing about. You really don't want that. Very inconvenient. And there was, of course, that time here when I had my little cold frame blow over the fence. That's happened as well. But yeah, do seem to be getting strange, episodes of higher winds here in the UK in the last few years. I don't know if this is because I'm a bit more perceptive now, due to the fact that I'm working outside a lot more than I used to these days, but certainly does seem that way. Winter plants are looking pretty good. See, sometimes I get asked about ways of dealing with slugs, and a good way would be to, if you had your plants in the middle like that, more in the middle, and you put a big ring of sharp sand around there like that, that'd be a great thing to do. Of course, that won't stop slugs from, if there's any eggs or whatever in the growing mediums, won't be able to prohibit them in that way, but that's a good way of doing it. Alright then, peeps, hope everybody out there's doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.